Hi, in this video we will use the cofactor expansion and show that determinant of a matrix which has a zero row or zero column is equal to zero. Well, let me then write this as a theorem or fact or property you like to write, anything you feel okay with. So the theorem says, the mathematical fact says that the determinant of a square matrix, determinant only makes sense for square matrices. The determinant of a square matrix with zero row means that all the entries of the row is zero, or zero column is equal to zero. Why this is true? Well, you can just maybe I just write a few words for that proof. Well, what we need is that you just need to expand use the cofactor expansion along that row or column. So use the cofactor expansion along that row or column. Well, what will happen? So if you have a zero row or column and you expand along that row or column, so then this will be zero times corresponding cofactor, something like say I rows and one cofactor, and then plus 0 times I 2 cofactor, and this will continue up to the nth one, so 0 I n cofactor. Yes, each entry you multiply by 0, each entry is 0, so we will multiply the cofactor by 0, so you will add 0 plus 0 times all these zeros and then add up to 0. So if you see a matrix which has zero row or zero column, you don't need to do anything. You just need to know that expanding along that row or column will give you the determinant 0. Yeah. So in this case, for example, these examples, right, we have 3 by 3 matrix. The second column, doesn't matter if it is row or column, second column is 0, so then the determinant is 0. Here we have 2 by 2. You can compute 2 by 2 is not difficult, but you can see that the second row is 0, so the determinant is going to be 0. And for this one, we have, the row 3 has all 0 entries. So 0 row, expand along that or use the theorem or the property, and the determinant will be 0. Imagine that you don't know this fact and you expand along the row 1. Well, that would be a lot of work to compute this determinant, and at the end you will get the value 0.